level 4 has you just designing the screens. This one is going to be finishing the start screen. So your start screen, it's asking you to update the title text to say emoji race. So I'm going to click on title and change the text to emoji race. And then it says add instructions for playing using the ID instructions. I'm going to pull over a label and put it right here. And then I'm going to look at my project guide, which I have open for the instructions that I should be typing. I'm going to name this instructions. And the text is going to be everything that's right here on the screen. So click your button as fast as you can to get your emoji to the bottom first. The left player controls the red emoji. The right controls the blue. Period. Then I'm going to just make this look a little bit better. Change my font to maybe 18. 22. That's better. Alright, and I'm going to align it center. You can do any other things that you want to do. You could maybe add a picture of an emoji, whatever. That's up to you how you want to do that, but I'm just going to do the bare minimum here. That's level 4.